What if your smartphone could turn into a tablet and then go even bigger? This is the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung's boldest foldable experiment yet, and it feels like a glimpse into the future of mobile devices. At first look, the Galaxy Z TriFold instantly stands out. Instead of one hinge, you get a triple fold design that allows the phone to expand into a massive display. Folded, it works like a regular smartphone. Unfolded once, and it becomes tablet-like. Fully unfolded, it transforms into a large, immersive screen that feels closer to a compact laptop than a phone. In this hands-on experience, the display is clearly the star. Samsung's flexible AMOLED panel looks vibrant, sharp, and surprisingly smooth across all folds. Yes, you can notice the creases if you look closely, but during normal use, content flows naturally across the screen. Watching videos, multitasking, and reading feel incredibly immersive. Multitasking is where the Galaxy Z TriFold really shines. You can run multiple apps side by side, drag content between windows, and use it like a productivity device. Samsung's software optimizations make the transitions between folded and unfolded modes feel smooth and intuitive. Performance feels flagship level. App switching is fast, animations are fluid, and everything feels responsive during this hands-on session. This device is clearly built for power users who want more screen without carrying a separate tablet. Of course, this is still early hands-on territory. Durability, long-term hinge reliability, and battery life will be key questions. And yes, this kind of innovation will likely come with a premium price tag, but one thing is clear, the Galaxy Z TriFold isn't just another foldable phone. It's Samsung pushing boundaries and redefining what a mobile device can be. The Galaxy Z TriFold feels less like a phone and more like the future of portable computing. If you enjoyed this hands-on review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Future Lens, and stay tuned for more smart tech simplified, where tomorrow's tech comes first.